Car RGB lights, also known as multicolor LED lights, have gained popularity in the automotive industry for their ability to enhance the aesthetic appeal of vehicles and create a personalized lighting experience. These lights come in various forms and can be installed in different areas of the car, allowing for a customizable and vibrant lighting display. RGB stands for red, green, and blue, which are the primary colors used to create a wide range of colors through their combination. Car RGB lights utilize LEDs, light-emitting diodes, that can emit light in these primary colors, allowing for the creation of an extensive color spectrum. One of the common applications of car RGB lights is in the interior of the vehicle. They can be installed under the dashboard, seats, or along the footwells to create ambient lighting effects. These lights often come with remote controls or smartphone apps, enabling the driver or passengers to change the colors, brightness, and lighting patterns according to their preferences. Some RGB light kits also offer features like color fading, strobing, and music synchronization, enhancing the visual experience inside the car. Exterior car RGB lights are another popular choice among car enthusiasts. These lights can be installed underneath the car body, around the wheel wells, or along the grille, providing a striking illumination that accentuates the vehicle's contours. Car owners often use RGB lights to create a unique and eye-catching appearance, especially during night drives or at car shows. Beyond aesthetics, car RGB lights can also serve practical purposes. For instance, they can be used as signal lights or turn indicators, offering improved visibility and safety on the road. Some RGB lights are designed to be weatherproof and durable, making them suitable for outdoor applications and ensuring their longevity even in challenging conditions. It is important to note that while car RGB lights can enhance the appearance and enjoyment of a vehicle, their use should always comply with local traffic laws and regulations. Excessive or distracting lighting effects may be prohibited in certain jurisdictions, as they can pose a hazard to other drivers.